The DJI Avata 360 is a confirmed hybrid FPV drone that has already passed regulatory hurdles, yet its launch was paused to counter a surprise move by Insta360. While the hardware is ready, DJI is using this extra time to perfect its 8K seamless, stitching software and AI-powered tracking to ensure a flawless user experience. With a rumored mid-March release date and pricing starting around $450, this drone aims to merge high-speed FPV adrenaline with professional 360-degree cinematography. It features dual 180-degree lenses, a 120-megapixel camera, and a 20-kilometer transmission range, making it a professional-grade tool rather than a beginner toy. What is really going on with the DJI Avata 360? This drone was expected to launch months ago. Late last year, everything looked ready for a big reveal. Promotional renders surfaced online and regulatory certifications were spotted. Pricing details even leaked on Chinese platforms. Then, in January, actual hands-on photos appeared. These photos proved the drone was not just a concept. It looked finished and production-ready. Now we are well into February, and DJI still hasn't made an official announcement. This silence sparked massive speculation. I reached out to a trusted source in China with direct connections to DJI. What I learned changes everything. The DJI Avata 360 is not delayed because of problems. It is delayed because of strategy. First, let's settle the biggest question. The DJI Avata 360 is absolutely real. This is not just a rumor. The drone has already cleared regulatory approvals. That only happens when a product is finalized. The leaked photos show a device in a very advanced stage. So, why the wait? First reason is competition. DJI planned to launch before Insta360 released its anti-gravity drone in 2026. However, Insta360 moved faster than expected. This forced DJI to reassess their timing. They decided to slow down and refine their approach instead of rushing. The second reason is software. The Avata 360 is a hybrid platform. It combines FPV flight with full 360-degree capture. This is a massive technical challenge. Recording 360 footage is one thing, but stitching dual lens data in real time is harder. DJI wants 8K export and smooth mobile app optimization. They need the ecosystem to work perfectly from day one. If the stitching is glitchy, it hurts their reputation. They are not willing to take that risk. There is also a regulatory angle. The drone has FCC certification, but US restrictions are always a concern. DJI is likely prioritizing Asian markets first. Now, let's talk about the launch timing. Sources suggest a mid-March release is the most likely window. DJI is using this time to add newer transmission technology from its latest drone lineup. The pricing is also very interesting. Chinese leaks suggest the base model will cost around $450. International pricing might land closer to $500. This version is for users who like semi-autonomous flying. It will feature intelligent tracking and maybe even gesture control. Higher tier. Bundles will be more expensive. A version with the RC2 controller could be $700 globally. The full Fly More package with goggles could hit $1,000. The main feature is the full 360-degree capture. It uses two ultra-wide lenses. One faces up and one faces down. Each covers 180 degrees. AI merges them into a seamless 8K image. In the video, the drone itself becomes invisible. The photo resolution could reach 120 megapixels. It will have a 20-kilometer range and 25 minutes of flight time. In my opinion, this drone is a total game changer. It bridges the gap between action sports and cinematic art. If you are a professional creator, this is the ultimate tool. However, if you are a beginner, the learning curve might be steep. It is a bold move by DJI to create a new category of flight. If you like the video, subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, share the video, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.